If you are a submitter, you can add your expenses, and when all those expenses have been added, you now need to create a report to send that to your finance department. Within this dashboard, we can see that we have 3 unreported expenses that are ready to be entered on a report. We can either do this by hitting the Expenses tab and clicking these and adding to a report, or we can click to our reports itself to see the reports that we've already submitted. I like to click on these ones because then I know exactly what it is that I'm putting in my report for submission. So I can see all of these here are dated in August, so I'm going to add to a report. So my report name is to the 31st of August. I can enter from the 1st to the 31st of August and I can hit save. The report has now been created as a draft status, and I can click on this report and I can hit submit. I'm now sending this to who needs to approve this report for me. This is now awaiting approval. At any point I can go to my reports and I can see what was on that report. On the dashboard now, my unreported expenses has dropped to 0, and I can see down the bottom here that my August expense is waiting approval from my manager. Should you make a mistake and you wish to recall that report, you can hit into reports, we can find the report, and you can hit recall. This now means that you can edit this report by adding new expenses should you wish, and when you're ready, you can resubmit. This will now jump down to awaiting approval.